We'll make the weekend stir fry morning glory. Weekend version. Stir. So we have garlic and chili in there, and this is the morning glory. And in here we have mushroom sauce, sugar, light soy sauce, and salty bean paste. Smell it? Get morning glory in. Chili smell here. And water, and then salt.
How much water do you put in?
Just a little bit, and try to get some cheese. And then chili smell, You can do without chili at home, you know. But this is like, we don't really eat it, but we want to heat just a little bit. This hot we can take it out. So this stir fry, it should be, you know, salty and a bit sweet. I stir them. You have a plate with rice, I can give you a plate. Oh, you put it in
Yeah, I already have the rice.
You see the sauce getting thick and the leaf turn dark green? See, that's good. Actually, when we stir fry morning glory, we don't want to do too long because we want to keep
So
it.
it's finished already?
Yeah, finished. Put beside the rice here.
Ooh, boiling.
Yeah. When you eat it, like just the leaf and the rice together. I know you put rice in the curry. Actually, in Thailand, when we eat, we put curry on top of it. But do how you like. Yeah, how you like. Sorry, how you like. Okay, bring to the
Thank you
table.
so much.
Hi, you're welcome.